Hi everyone, Steven here with eTrailer. Today we're looking at our Pacbrake airbag kit with included internal Jounces, the onboard compressor, the tank for the air, and the wireless control system. Folks, this is a custom fit application, so make sure you're checking the fit guide over at etrailer.com where it says my vehicle information, enter things like year, make, and model. Make sure you're getting the right parts the first time. Now, again, this is custom fit, so the installation should be pretty simple with minimal drilling required. Basically, everything's going to bolt right onto the frame at your standard factory attachment points. And let me step out of the way so you can see these a little better. Now, these will have some bottom brackets as well. I'll go and throw up an image of what these look like, more or less whenever they're installed on the brackets before you put them around the frame of the truck. So again, that's what these are going to look like. 5,000 pounds of load support. Excuse me. And you do get everything included. Again, like I said, you get the compressor, you get the air tank, and you get the wireless remote. The neat thing with the wireless remote is you can adjust the air pressure on the fly. You can use an app on your phone if you so choose, and you can adjust the bags at the same time or opposite, totally up to you and what your personal needs are. Again, here's that wireless control unit with the metal brackets, and then these big long U-bolts here in the front mount with that. You got the remote here. And then of course you've got the half-gallon tank. So again, you can have some extra onboard air ready to go in case you need to inflate some tires, maybe top off some athletic equipment, balls, those kind of things, maybe even some swim gear if you're going down the river on a float trip. And then of course you got your compressor here. And then there's a lot of extra hardware and stuff in some of these baggies that go with this kit there, so that way you can inflate tires and things like I mentioned. But there's also a lot of extra wire loom and nuts and bolts. I just didn't have room for everything on the table today. So you will get a lot more stuff than what you see here as far as hardware stuff. And then you got pressure regulator switches and some different inline fuses and those kind of things, wire connectors, etc. So everything here that's metallic has a nice powder coat finish over it to prevent rust, corrosion, those kind of things. All the electronics have very nice heavy duty connectors and wire loom around them, protecting that. And again, we have extra wire loom that you're going to get in the kit to protect all the wires. You got your little airline cutting tool here. Now, tech tip on that, make sure you get a nice, clean, straight cut. That way you don't have to worry about any kind of leaks or anything in the future. So when you cut that airline, it's going to go into a push connect fitting, and those are included as well. And that's going to make it a lot simpler to install, but you want a clean cut, that way it's nice and pure and everything, so you don't have to worry about air leaks or anything. Well, folks, I think that's going to wrap up our quick look together at this Pacbrake airbag kit with internal Jounces. I'm Steven. Thanks for watching.